In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best rear-view dash cams available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the rear-view dash cams mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ARB 4K Dash Cam for Audi models 2013 to 2024. The ARB 4K Dash Cam is designed specifically for Audi models from 2013 to 2024, ensuring a perfect fit with no wires showing. It delivers crystal clear 4K Ultra HD recording, supported by an f/1.6 aperture lens for superior night vision. With G-sensor technology, it automatically locks footage in case of collisions, giving drivers peace of mind. This sleek, compact camera enhances both safety and design for Audi owners at a great price point. 500 characters. Number 4, VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K Dual Dash Cam with GPS Wi-Fi. The VIOFO A129 Pro Duo offers professional-grade dual dash cam functionality, capturing in 4K from the front and Full HD from the rear. Built-in GPS records your route and speed, while dual-band Wi-Fi ensures quick file transfers. It features loop recording, motion detection, and advanced parking mode that captures both pre- and post-impact events. Ideal for long-distance drivers who need detailed footage, this dash cam delivers robust performance and reliability. 500 characters. Number 3, DDPAI Mola N3 Pro Dual View Dash Camera with GPS, designed for safety and smart driving. The DDPAI Mola N3 Pro features front and rear cameras for full vehicle coverage. It uses GPS tracking to overlay location and speed data on recorded videos, perfect for insurance claims or trip logging. With 24/7 parking surveillance and a supercapacitor power system, it stands up to extreme weather. Stylish and compact, this cam is great for tech-savvy drivers who want high performance on a budget. 500 characters. Number 2, REDTIGER F77 Dual 4K Dash Cam with Night Vision. The REDTIGER F77 stands out with its built-in 128GB eMMC storage, offering faster, more reliable recording. Its dual 4K lenses capture crystal-clear video from both front and rear. With voice control, you can operate key functions hands-free, while the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures smooth app connectivity. The large 4-inch touchscreen makes operation intuitive, and the included parking monitor protects your car even when off. A powerhouse for safety-conscious drivers. 500 characters. Number 1, Adinakm 4CH 4K Dash Cam with Rearview Mirror. The Adinakm 4CH 4K Dash Cam redefines full coverage protection with 4-channel recording and a wide-angle lens system. It features a full-screen rearview mirror mode, making parking safer and easier. The 5G Wi-Fi and dedicated app allow easy real-time viewing and control from your phone. Collision detection via G-sensor automatically secures important clips. Offering unmatched features at a competitive price, this is a top-tier choice for complete vehicle security. 500 characters.